one thing I'm going to describe about blades. I'm going to draw an illustration for you. Looking at it this way, here's your thickness of the blade. And then it's super high-pitched bevel. This imaginary line, that's my bevel line. That's what I use to shear anything flush. I mentioned this in one previous video. When you're looking at a blade, and you got the dot here, the hole there, and you got the point there. When I look at this, I'm going to flip this up. Right now, it's going like this. So there's an actual curvature to it. Very, very small. This is very exaggerated, but I just want to show this. So you got 2 points. If I would go like this, that's riding on this face here. And if I flip it over like this, these 2 points are touching the bottom. So whenever I do work with blades, I always make sure that my hole is facing towards me and my point is up and the blade's to the right, left to, I should say. That would ensure that I'm going to be going on the center touching. So if I bring this back here, and that's with all blades. I don't think anybody says this part about blades, but anytime I'm working with it, I always make sure that roundness is this, and it's with every blade, all 30 years of my career. So you can just shear that. This is melamine, by the way. It's pretty easy to take off things off of melamine without marring it. And this is one of the ways I can just shear that across. And I try to match that bevel, that high-pitched bevel that we were talking about here, right? So that's what I mean by that dotted line there. I'm making it flush. And it's also very helpful when it comes to in the finishing process on clear coat, when you're doing stain and lacquer. And even if one troubled area and colored lacquer is troubling you, you can actually just take this and just shear it. You do a shearing motion and it just shears everything flush.